Welcome to Technologist. Today we will see how to purchase utility from Gumroad platform. So you will get this link in a description. Just copy paste this link from the description into the browser and just click on I want this. Here you mention the amount which is 0. Click on I want this. Here you can mention the email address. Then you will get this screen. Here you can just click on download. So it will start downloading. See, the another way is you mention your email address. So open your email. Here you will get your order details, and at the bottom you can see download audit utility. Just click on that. It is redirected to your download page and click on download. So download will start and it is downloading. So in this way you can download utility from Gumroad platform. Thank you. Please subscribe to Technologist-RD. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.